I bought 2 things from the Marks Bella Freud collection and I haven't had a chance to open them yet. Okay, let's go. I have 2 jumpers. So I bought the blue sky. This one was what, £49.50. And then of course I bought the red nature one. And this is the one that I've heard mixed things about because this was like £130. It says with cashmere, but I think the cashmere is actually quite low. I'm sure I saw someone say that it was like 10% cashmere. This is 90% wool, merino and 10% cashmere. Which for £130, I don't know if it's worth it. But I do love it and I do want Bella Freud. This lighting is making my skin look so crazy when I step away, so bear that in mind. It is like 2:30. 2:41 and it is so dark already. So this is the nature one. If I were to wear some jeans or tucked in, nice. I do like the colour. It is a bright red, but I think the fact that I'm debating it kind of tells me it's not. I want to love it. I really want to love it, so I would love your opinion. But also my skin, it just looks insane. This is dramatic. This is still dramatic, but not as dramatic. I would say I like this one a lot more, but it's still £50 and I like it, but again, do I love it? I don't know. Do I like it enough to be worth £50? Is it just because of the name that I'm like, I